Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use Creative Commons videos on your YouTube channel without getting the copyright strike. Guys, if you're a YouTuber and if you're planning to use a Creative Commons video, then you need to watch this video till the end. Guys, few months back I made two videos on how to monetize Creative Commons videos. So I made these videos and I uploaded these videos onto my YouTube channel. So yesterday a person texted me on Instagram saying that his channel got terminated on YouTube for using Creative Commons videos. Guys, remember one thing, if you get 3 copyright strikes or 3 community guideline strike on your YouTube channel, your channel will be terminated by YouTube. Guys, if you're using Creative Commons videos on your YouTube channel, then you need to watch this video carefully till the end. If not, you will end up getting copyright strikes, or even worse, you might end up getting your channel terminated. Guys, listen very carefully. On this channel, Techno, if I upload a video under Creative Commons video license, then you will have the full authority to use my video completely. Guys, if I upload a video onto my YouTube channel, then I am the copyright owner for that content. So similarly, if I upload a video onto my YouTube channel under Creative Commons video license, then you will have the full authority and full right to use my complete video without asking anyone. So guys, if a person downloads my video, even though I set my video as standard license, so if he downloads my video and uploads the same exact video onto his YouTube channel under Creative Commons video license, then you'll come and use this video thinking that it's a Creative Commons video, not knowing that he is not the original copyright owner of the video. So what you'll do, thinking that it's a Creative Commons video, you'll take that video and you'll upload that video onto your YouTube channel. So when I come to know that you both have used this video, then definitely I'll give a copyright strike for this person, and also I'll give a copyright strike for this person. Guys, don't worry, okay? I won't give copyright strikes to anyone. Even though if I upload videos onto my channel under standard YouTube license, even though if you use complete video of mine, I won't give strikes to anyone. Guys, if you have still not understood, then I'm gonna explain you with an example. Guys, you might be knowing what T-Series company is. T-Series is a channel where they upload all copyrighted videos and copyrighted songs. So guys, if I download a copyrighted video or copyrighted song from the T-Series channel, and if I upload that video onto my channel as Creative Commons video, so once you find my video, you will think that, oh, it's a Creative Commons video, so you can use it on your YouTube video. So if you use my video thinking that that video belongs to me and it's a Creative Commons video and you can use that, so if you use that video, then one or the other day, definitely T-Series will give a copyright strike to me and T-Series will give you a copyright strike as well. Guys, before you use Creative Commons videos on your YouTube channel, make sure that Creative Commons video belongs to that person and he is the original owner of that content. Because there are a lot of people on YouTube who steal other people's content and upload it onto the channel as Creative Commons. So if you use those content, you'll definitely end up getting into trouble. So if you find a Creative Commons video and if you have this doubt in your mind that this video does not match that guy, or you might not be the original owner of the content, then definitely don't use that content, okay? Just forget that content and move on to the next Creative Commons video. And guys, one more thing, if you're a new YouTuber and don't know what type of camera, lighting or mic to purchase, then I've given few links in the description for cheap and best accessories. So click on that link and check out. And guys, if you have any doubt regarding this topic, then leave a comment down in the comment section, or you could message me on Instagram, and the link to my Instagram account is down in the description of this video. Okay guys, I hope this video has helped you. If so, then please do drop a like on this video. And guys, I make all YouTube growth related videos, TikTok and Instagram related videos on this channel. So if you're a YouTuber, TikToker and Instagrammer, then consider subscribing. Okay guys, if you're a subscriber, I'll meet you on the next video. Until then, peace.